Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I am Chef Tovia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy gluten-free General Tao chicken, and I garnished it with sesame seeds. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is not sesame chicken. Here are the ingredients you'll need for today. Please don't forget to follow me on social media. You'll find the links in the description box. Please subscribe and hit the bell for new uploads every Monday at midnight Eastern Time. So I have here cut up chicken thighs and my cornstarch. If you want to use chicken breast, you can use chicken breast, but I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs because it has more flavor. And then I have here soy sauce and 1 egg that I have here that I've beaten. And we're going to mix this together until this is all completely combined. As you stir all this together, you're going to notice that this coating is very thick. It's okay. It's supposed to be this thick. So I have here some oil that I'm heating up, and yes, this is leftover oil. It's still good. I didn't think it was necessary to waste oil, but I'm going to heat my oil to, it's about 330 degrees Fahrenheit. And then what I'm going to do is just take a piece of each cut up chicken and place it into the batter, but I'm going to use my fork to pull it apart. So the oil should be nice and hot. Yes, it is. So I'm going to fry just a few pieces at a time, just ensuring that none of the chicken is stuck together, and we don't want to overcrowd the pan. So this will take anywhere between 5 to 8 minutes. So I'm going to just let that sit in the oil for a few minutes. I have here a slotted spoon. I'm just going to kind of move everything around just to make sure nothing's stuck to the bottom of the pot here. And I'm going to fry this for about 4 minutes. So it's been about 5 minutes. So the chicken's floating. It's nice and golden brown, so I know it's done. And I'm going to put this onto a rack here that'll line. I'm going to put this onto a sheet pan that'll line with a cooling rack just to drain all that oil off. I'm going to stick this in the oven. Okay. Don't have this sitting here on the table beside your raw meats. Never put raw and cooked foods together. So I'm going to fry up all the chicken. We'll be back. So I have here some cornstarch, and I mix my chicken stock and water together, and I'm just gonna mix just some of the chicken broth and water mixture. Gonna mix it with that cornstarch, and we're gonna set that aside. This is gonna be our slurry to thicken. We're probably gonna add all of it, probably not. So I'm heating up here my wok, and I put in about a tablespoon of oil. If you don't want to add an onion, you don't have to. I like to add an onion. And I'm just going to cook this just for about 30 seconds. I'm going to add some garlic. This is just the garlic that I chopped up. And then I have here some fresh ginger that I chopped. Going to stir fry this about 30 seconds. We just want to make everything fragrant. Then I'm going to add my chicken broth and water mixture, and I have here some rice wine vinegar, I have some red pepper, and I'm going to give that a quick stir together, and then I'm going to add soy sauce. This is our salt, okay? So we're not going to add any salt. So this is our soy sauce. Please guys, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't, guess what? So we're going to add soy sauce. Oh yeah, one more thing. Sugar. To dissolve everything in. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. So my General Tao sauce is starting to boil. And what I'm going to do is slowly add this cornstarch and chicken stock that we mixed together. I'm not going to add all of it, just add almost all of it. You stir it in and just let it boil for a minute to see how much it thickens. So I'm going to add the remaining of the cornstarch mixture. So I think it's going to need it. So the sauce is relatively thick. I'm going to add the chicken. I'm going to turn off the heat and stir everything in. Okay, so here is my General Tso chicken. I'm going to garnish it with some sesame seeds. You don't have to if you don't want to. I know some people are going to say, this is sesame chicken. It's not. I just garnished it with sesame seed. So look at this amazing General Tso chicken. I served it with some vegetable fried rice. So I'm going to give this a taste. Oh my God, it smells good. Wow. If you try this recipe, you're not going to believe that this was homemade. But look at that. The inside is nice and moist and perfect. I hope you guys try this recipe and enjoy it. Please leave me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave it in the comment section. Or if you have any recipe requests, please leave it in the comment section. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together to love one another. Thank you all so much for watching.